Hi, it's Lou Manfredini, Ace's Home Expert. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about a center punch, what it is and how to use it. All right, this is a metal center punch. It's really designed as a metal working tool. Essentially, it's a long piece of metal with a very pointy tip on it, and you would use this to mark holes on metal that then you would either be drilling to install a rivet or drilling to make a hole. The idea behind the center punch is that by making that little divot in the metal, when you put a drill bit on there, it won't walk across the metal, and it's precise, right? They make these in different sizes. This particular one is a 1/4 inch. There's 3/8 of an inch. There's even 1/8 of an inch. It all depends on what you're doing. It's a highly specialized tool, but very easy to use. You just need the punch and a hammer, and that's it. Coming up next, my video on how to remove a rivet.